Hello there, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're going to do eggplant, brinjal, aubergine fry. Very, very simple, very few ingredients, super tasty, vegetarian, healthy-ish, and vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So here's my eggplant. I've cut it into kind of like big, fat French fry kind of size. You can cut it much smaller, different shape, up to you. One onion sliced, one tomato just cut chunky, cilantro or coriander. In here I've what I always call the big four, so we've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili powder. If you want, you can just use a curry powder, but I prefer that there. 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Some fresh chilies. Up to you how many you put in, and I'm actually putting mine in whole. You could chop them if you want. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. It's absolutely super easy to make. Okay, so I've got here some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could definitely be using something different if you wanted. In goes those cumin seeds, just 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. In that oil, they'll infuse it and give it a great flavor. And then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our eggplant. Now I'm going to throw this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can hear and see, we're on a high heat. Okay, these are looking absolutely beautiful. Now be careful with oil with these guys, because if you added some more oil now, what happens is they just soak them up. They'll just keep soaking up your oil, so don't do that. You've got plenty there. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to drop in that thinly sliced onion. I'm using the red onion. Going to drop in my fresh chili right now. And like I say, I've chosen to keep them whole. Chop them if you require. We're now going to go with our garlic ginger paste. We're going to add those 4 powders, chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander, teaspoon each. I'm going to give this a little mix. I'm now going to drop in that 1 chunky cut tomato with a tiny amount of water. Stay on this high heat. I'll be back in about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving. So that water's evaporated. The tomatoes are kind of just starting to break a little bit, but nice and chunky still. We're done. What we're going to do is we're going to get some salt in there. Some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Off goes the heat. 1 more mix. I'll get this on a plate for you. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely delicious. So, so easy. Nice and spicy. Beautiful eggplant, brinjal, aubergine, whatever you call that, fry. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Please subscribe. Blah, blah, blah. Social media. All that stuff. Lots of love.